If you're looking to freshen up the front calipers on your 99-04 GT or V6 Mustang, along with adding a bit of color behind your favorite set of wheels, then you might want to consider these affordable replacements from the gang over at PowerStop. Now the price point for the new one-piece options will be right around the $160 mark for the pair, and the install will get a middle-of-the-road 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, about a couple of hours to complete from start to finish, and will of course involve bleeding of the new system. So the PowerStop performance calipers that we're talking about here in this video will be a great choice for the new Edge owners who might be dealing with a faulty or seized up caliper for the front, or you just want to clean up the appearance but you don't want to sink thousands of dollars into a big brake upgrade like you would with a set of Brembos, Willwoods, or something else. Now granted, those aftermarket big brake kits are certainly going to be more than just an appearance upgrade, as a lot of times you're getting a bigger caliper, a more aggressive pad, along with a larger rotor, whereas the PowerStop option here on the other hand, simply going to freshen up a factory caliper but with that bright red powder coat. So don't expect a huge upgrade in stopping power from the calipers alone. Of course, you could always pair these guys up with a matching set of PowerStop Z23 or Z36 pad and rotor sets if you're looking to increase some stopping power, but still keep things budget friendly. But again, these are a one-piece aluminum design that have been gone through and upgraded using some high quality components, such as brand new seals and boots, along with lubricants, before being finished off in a bright red powder coat, which by the way, be far more durable than a traditional paint. Now each caliper has been tested before being sent out, and PowerStop even claims that these guys will meet or exceed the performance of the factory calipers, and even throws a 3-year warranty at each set for added peace of mind. Installation again will require the removal of the factory front components before moving on with the install of the new PowerStop kit. This will also require you again to bleed the brakes, which altogether will knock this one up to pretty solid 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and a few hours to complete from start to finish, depending on how fast you like to work. So whether you're looking to replace some worn out or damaged stockers, or you just like the look of the visual improvement on your 99-04 V6 or GT, you'll want to check out the PowerStop options right here at AmericanMuscle.com.